Hello, loves. This is the perfect meditation to manifest an instant message from your specific person. This meditation is designed to align your energy with your special person's thoughts, and it will help you get a text, call, or message from them. Listen regularly and feel the excitement as they reach out to you effortlessly. Remember, you are the prize. Get ready to receive. Now, let's begin. They send me messages full of desire and longing for me. They constantly surprise me with texts expressing their deep feelings for me. My phone lights up with unexpected texts from them, showing how much they want me. Every message from them is filled with passion and attraction for me. I effortlessly receive texts from them, overflowing with admiration and desire. They can't stop texting me, letting me know how much they crave me. I attract messages from them that make me feel wanted and cherished. Their texts are full of warmth and desire, always showing how badly they want me. I always receive unexpected messages from them that express their intense attraction. They can't help but text me, sharing how much they want to be with me. Their texts are a constant reminder of how deeply they long for me. I feel loved and wanted through every unexpected message they send me. They just couldn't resist reaching out to me, so the message arrives now. They are thinking of me constantly and feel the need to connect with me. Every time I look at my phone, they message me with words I've been waiting to hear. They feel drawn to communicate with me and cannot help but reach out right now. I am on their mind every moment, and it makes them want to message me immediately. My phone lights up with a message from them full of love and warmth. They are excited to message me because talking to me makes their day brighter. I am their priority and they are eager to hear from me, so they message me often. I receive an unexpected, heartfelt message from them just when I need it most. They feel a strong urge to message me, and it happens now. Every time I think of them, they are moved to reach out and connect with me. I am so important to them that messaging me feels natural and irresistible. It is already done. Type, they can't stop texting me to affirm this meditation. And if you desire even more love, attention, and affection, let me help you by manifesting them for you. I was able to help Walter get rid of a third party and get his lady back. I was able to help Evie make her wish come true and get the love of her specific person back. And I can help you too. All you have to do is head to joybyjanell.com or click the link in the description box below, and you can get your love back fast just like Alicia, or get results like any of my thousands of other clients here. I hope you have a day full of love and joy, and I will see you in the next meditation.